28. Let's look for 28 on the other side. So we have 1, we've written it down. So 28, count. Hello, beautiful people. How is your weekend going? I trust you're having a great time. So today, I came with a multi-purpose resource for literacy that parents can use at home and teachers can use in school. Now, why do I call it multi-purpose? We are about to find out in a little bit. Who is able to use this? A parent, a teacher, a learner under intervention, a learner that is beginning to read, a learner that has finished mastering or understanding the 42 letter sounds. I use the Jolly Phonics program, so I'm talking in respect to that. So why do I call this multi-purpose? First, if you see on this side, you will see we have all the diagrams here, and then we have double letter sounds, and then also we have alternative spellings, we have split vowels, we have consonant clusters, all on this side. Now on the flip side, you will see that we have tricky words from level 1 to 4. So these tricky words basically cover between level 1 to 4 in the Jolly Phonics program. To begin, where can we use this resource? This resource can be used in the classroom, and it can be used at home. It can be used to play bingo games. It can be used for outdoor learning time. It can be used for table activities, and it can be used as your morning status in literacy. So basically, this resource is for learners who have the knowledge of the 42 sounds and the progression and know how to blend. I'm using the Jolly Phonics program. So learners who have the 42 letter sounds knowledge and who can build CV words, CV. So how does it work? You can use Legos, you can use tiles, you can use cut out flashcards like these, or you can use anything that you want to use in color or you want to use and cover the words. So the first way we can use this resource is for word bingo games. First off, it depends on the learner and it depends on whatever you're doing at the particular time. So for the word bingo games, you could say a word. For instance, I say the word car, and I ask the child, what digraph sound is in the word car? So the child begins to look, scamper, and then the child says R. So we have R here, so you can use your letter tiles to cover. If you have a magnetic board, that's fine. You can use your magnetic letters to cover. You can use your colors, whatever activity you want to include in this learning process. So that's number 1, word bingo games. Number 2, okay, we're going to talk about word building games. So we have flashcards and we have markers, okay? And then you can do it in 2 ways. You can call out a sound or a tricky word, and then the child will be able to, write the tricky word or write a word with that letter sound, okay, that you have already called out. So that's another one. The third way we can use it, we have to cut numbers or have numbers between 1 to 36 because all the squares here are 36. So the child is going to pick 2 numbers at a time. So the child picks the 2 numbers. So we have 8, for instance, here, and we have 21 here. Okay, so you go on this other side, you look for the 8th one, the 8th sound, and here you look for the 21st tricky word. And then the child writes it down and builds a sentence with the tricky word and the word that they have made. Okay, then also you can do a lot of fun things with them. So you can say, look for the sound, look for this tricky word like you've done. Thank you for your time. Kindly subscribe for more videos to help your child and yourself also, and also share this content with a teacher or an intentional parent. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.